Welcome to FINVALLEY Limited. Today, we're diving into the wild world of UK self-assessment tax. Think of it as reporting your side hustles, rental income, or any untaxed cash. Who needs to file? If you're self-employed, a partner in a biz, or raking in rental income, you're on the list. Got untaxed income or earnings over £100k? Yep, you too. Key dates to remember: the 5th of October to register, the 31st of October for paper returns, and the 31st of January to file online and pay up. Miss these? Well, brace yourself for penalties. Late filing starts at £100 and climbs up. Filing's a breeze online. It's quick and you get instant confirmation. Over £1,000 in tax. You'll need to make advance payments, due the 31st of January and the 31st of July. Got questions? HMRC has loads of support, from guides to helplines. Stay organised, stay on time, and you'll ace this. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe, like and share. Bye for now.